Pivot table is a powerful tool to calculate, summarize, and analyze data that lets you see comparison, patterns, and trends in your data. Pivot tables are simple and work a little bit differently depending on what platform you are using to run Excel. In this example, we are going to show you how you can create a pivot table. To begin, select your table or the data range, click Insert, and here you have two options. You can either click Pivot Table or you can select Recommended Pivot Tables. Click if the options are suitable from the recommended. If not, then you can go ahead and select Pivot Table. Here, table or range, the entire table in this case. I will either select that the pivot table will be shown in a new worksheet or in the currently existing sheet. For an existing sheet, click on it and select the location where you want to start. For now, new worksheet, and click OK. Now we are going to begin by adding the fields that we want in our pivot table. So we can begin with the date. And amount, we can put it in value. And by clicking on the little plus, we can see the dates. In this case, we want to see the name who purchased what. We can always put buyer higher to have it reflect. You can always play with the fields as you need to have better reflection of what is needed for your pivot table. Let's zoom in for better visibility. And here you can see our pivot table. You can always play with these fields. However, to change the values, you can always click on item, value field settings, and you can choose from sum to count to average, max, minimum, etc. Or you can select show value as and select how do you want to show that value. For the purpose of this training, I'm going to select count and click OK. Once done, click Ctrl Save to save your work.